Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Barclays Mortgage account. Open the Chrome or Edge browser and then search for google.com. In the Google search bar, search for Barclays Mortgage, or you can go to Barclays Mortgage Login. Now, click on the first link which appears on your screen. So if this is not the link, you can go and search for Barclays Login, which is this one. So click on the Barclays bank account and apply for mortgage. Now you can hit the login button, which is on the top right hand corner. It will lead you to the online banking. What you need to do is write down your last name, your membership number, and you can hit the remember my name and login method. After that, you can also log in using your card number. So enter the details of your card number, which is the last name which is mentioned in your card, the card number, and press continue. Or the other option is by sort code and account number. So write down the last name, the sort code which you have on your phone or saved on your PC, your account number, and after that hit the continue button, and then you can log in to your Barclays Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.